Hey guys, we're back at 5:59 p.m. I got 10 spots here. We're running a 3-winner mini. Copy him here for Josh's Tatooine Skiff. There he is. One of my favorites. For sure. 3 win spots in this one. Top 3. Paste them in here. 1 through 10. Gonna roll the bones. Gotta get a 5 or better. For action, we got a 4, so I am rolling them again. Now we're cooking with a 10. 10 spots, 10 rounds, 3 winners. Here we go. Michael in the top spot for our first round, followed by Hans, Joe. Andre takes round 4 with number 3. Joe again on top in 5 with 5. Andre 6. Hans in the top spot for round 7, followed by Michael. Ryan Wixom takes round 8. Ryan again on top for round 9. Bringing us to the big one, the one that counts. The last round. Good luck, guys. Here we go, and our winners are Andre, Brian, and Andre. 3, 9, and 8, respectively. Here's our verification code. We'll make it official. VTBGRA is our verification code. There's the results. Check them out. Congrats, guys. I'm done at 6 o'clock. Eastern time on a rainy Saturday in Pennsylvania. There it is. One last time, here's the results. Andre and Brian are the winners. See you next time, guys. Thank you.